Hi, today I'm Friday with Realme GT2 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first let's hold for a while the application and now drag this up to another one. So by this way we can see that we just successfully created the new home screen folder. By the same way we can add here more applications just by hold and drag the up to the folder. If you want to rename it, just tap once on the name and enter the new one. For example, the apps, tap the home button and that's it. To move folder here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it. If you want to remove the application from the home screen, from the folder, you should just hold it and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this app on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the folder and from the home screen, hold it and tap to remove icon. But don't worry, you will stay with this application in the apps menu. So also we got just one more way how we can remove all of the applications with the folder together by hold the folder and tap to remove. Or also if you want to remove only the folder and stay with all of the applications here, you should click to remove folder. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.